Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday and we are heading back to Canberra. We just need to clean and pack our things, but Siaosi and I are cooking ourselves breakfast. We have noodles, bacon, butter, toast and sauce, and tea, green tea.
Green.
Sorry about the delay in uploading videos because Siaosi doesn't let me do much because he always wants me to do everything, and I don't have time to do everything. I have to upload the videos and edit the vlogs.
She's like so much. I do everything and she didn't do anything.
Silly ass, he's a liar. This is our sick ass breakfast. Just using up last minute things before we head back to Canberra. This is all we had left. Siosi's having soft drink in the morning, which he shouldn't be. So we'll put that aside.
Last minute before we back to Canberra, we eat a little breakfast like bacon, toast, and noodles.
So look.
You doodle.
Look at this loser. This is what he does after every shower.
The hell's wrong with you?
Really? Sort of been putting up with all morning. Hey guys, we're about to head off now back to Canberra, and we just want to thank Melbourne for being so kind to us. We had such a lovely time here. We're quite sad to go so soon, and thanks to Siosi's family as well if you're watching. Especially big thanks to Isaac. He was so welcoming and he very thoughtful. So thank you so much, Isaac. But we're heading off now. Siosi's just gone to take some things down to the car, and quite sad to go, but I'm happy to go back to my family again and just see everyone because I miss them so much. Are you upset we're going, baby? And we are off. We broke for you out.
Go back home, man.
Seriously, this is such expensive parking. 4 nights we paid $140.
Goodbye, Melbourne. We going back to my home in Canberra, and we miss Melbourne. Thank you for watching and subscribing and liking for our vlogs. But all haters, if I saw you, I'm gonna kick your ass out.
Funny.
Oh, dạ nó mau về đúng rồi, hai pretty nghe Melbourne nghe. Oh, it's so high. Hãy cái leo qua là gì mệt bông đi. Phải cái leo phải phá lên mà. Phải ngồi với người nghe mệt bông. Mà coi hồi lý sĩ tall point. Anh tall point anh mẹ này mau. Anh lấy ai người cũng bên mẹ mau ai mệt bông nghe phải ngồi tall point. CDI Canberra này người tall point.
We've stopped off at Hungry Jack's. We're about 3 and a bit hours away from home, and Siosi's just gone to get my drink that was in the car because we initially came through drive-through. And then we came in to go to the bathroom and it was nice and cool in here and pretty empty, so he's bringing our food inside. But on the way back, it's feeling a lot longer than going on the way there. For some reason. I think that's how it is. When you feel full of excitement, it's short, but it's quite dragging on the way back. But I feel like I'm falling asleep. These chips are so old.
Stop here to eat something to eat. I'm still hungry.
Hungry Jacks, for you, those of you who live in New Zealand and America, it's equivalent to Burger King. Siaosi's driving is driving me bonkers.
Bonkers?
He's like merging in and out of lanes here and there, swerving about, and he thinks he's the man. You won't be the man when we're 6 feet under, buried under that pile of crap over there.
Oh, I'm the man, because I'm the man. I'm driving faster than you.
And
she's scared.
And he's been driving
She's
like
scared.
a loony. He only drove an hour and a half away from home. And the drive is
I'm driving for 5 hours.
And the drive is 6.5 hours. I stopped just before Yas, which is like an hour away from home.
No.
And he jumped in.
He's driving 3 hours and I'm driving 3 hours
so
again.
Exhausted.
I'm driving 3 hours and he's driving 3 hours.
3 hours and 3 hours.
He's scared. She's scared of how I'm driving. Because he's Kaya Mooney.
God, guys, if you never see me vlogging again, you'll know why. Because this egghead killed me. Despite his crazy driving, we are home.
I'm here in Canberra, man.
Canberra. You see what I have to put up with?
No, slide.
You see what I have to put up with? Oh my god. Guys. This is 80, honey. Oh, calm down. Don't get your balls in and up.
Talo fasa moa matunu mamau matunu e mamau atu mai. Ia leo tu tau nu mai nei Canberra. I le meo i le fale. Mai le holiday sa ko oi Melbourne. I hala kwa ka ngu mai ia la ngonga ra vai drive for 3 hours.
Now translate.
And my wife drive 3 hours again.
He's lying. Go translate it.
Hi everyone, just arrived here at home, back from Melbourne, from the holidays. Just arrived here. Right now, it's 6:46, but we left Melbourne at what time? 11 o'clock in the morning. But we arrive here safe from the protection of the Holy Spirit.
Tried to have a little nap, not working, it's too hot. One thing I miss is the aircon that was in the room. We do have aircon in the house, but it sort of only works in one room. So, just watching my lovely husband water my daddy's garden. Oh, it's so hot. Do it again. Okay, that's enough. Stop. It's so good to be home, to be honest. We had a good time in Melbourne, but it's good to be home.
We will.
Morning guys, it's the next day, we're back in Canberra. Haven't vlogged all day. Siaosi's at home with one of my uncles, no, one of my cousins. But we're here at the mall. My sister-in-law, she gave birth. So we're just doing a little bit of shopping before the visiting hours open over at the hospital. And I bought Siaosi a gift. I wasn't meant to because we weren't doing gifts this year just because of the budget and everything, and we're trying to budget, but by the time he sees this, I would have already given it to him. But I really want to wrap it and give it to him and just surprise him. I know he didn't get me anything, but I really wanted to get him something this year, and especially because I'm sick of him wearing the same old shoes. So I got him some Adidas shoes. He's gonna be so excited. And they were white Adidas shoes. Aren't they just the cutest? It looks so good on him and he'll be so excited about it. I'm going to wrap it and give it to him later on, but we didn't really vlog at all today. So this will probably be combined with the other videos. Yep. And I went and had a look at some of the cameras and some of them are on sale. So you guys might just see a difference in the quality coming soon. So watch this space. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like, subscribe.